As well as using Data Privacy Advisor as a research tool for individual queries, you can also use Data Privacy Advisor to effectively and efficiently compare privacy requirements across countries around the world. There are two main ways of doing that and two formats of which we've developed for that particular comparison scenario. The first scenario is what we call our charts. Charts are created and maintained by our team of experts that we have working at Thomson Reuters. These have been created around specific scenarios and specific topics which we've identified as being very important to our client base. What they allow you to do is effectively compare and contrast different requirements relating to specific topics. As an example, one which we've developed relates specifically to the use and transfer of personal data across borders and how that is affected by local legislation in terms of restrictions. What this chart will do is allow you to very effectively and quickly compare requirements, if there are restrictions around exporting personal data, if there are general standards required, and also any key exceptions that allow you to transfer personal data. As you can see, these charts are very easy to access and leverage and are ideal for scenarios such as using to implement internal policies across jurisdictions around the world. The second way of comparison using Data Privacy Advisor is through what we call our Q&A Compare tool. To access our Q&A Compare tool, a user can go to Tools, select Q&A Compare tool, and then you'll have a selection of tools that you can access here. The functionality here works by allowing you to select a particular topic. In this case, we'll select our General Data Protection Q&A Compare tool. What I can then do is select a number of different jurisdictions depending on the quality and depending on the query. What I can then do is select a number of questions relating to that query. Finally, I can click on Compare, and that will create for me a report which I can then access and use to understand the different requirements across jurisdictions around the jurisdictions I'm operating in. If I want to download this information, I can click on the icon here. That will allow me to download this content either as a PDF or as an Excel spreadsheet to compare via Matrix through the platform as well.